Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the nation at 8 p.m. on Tuesday evening. It is the 48th day of the ongoing lockdown with less than a week left for the third phase of the nationwide lockdown to end. Prime Minister Modi will once again be addressing the nation this evening, announced the PMO Twitter handle. The PM's address comes a day after he held an extensive meeting with chief ministers of states to discuss the lockdown and coronavirus situation across the country. A Shramik special train brought back around 1,000 migrant workers and students to Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir from Bengaluru on Tuesday. This train ferrying stranded persons have departed from Bengaluru's Chikkabanavara railway station on May 10 and arrived at Udhampur today.
अराउंड 1000 के ऊपर ये ट्रेन का नंबर है। आप देख रहे हैं जैसे पूरे प्रोसेस को स्मूथ बनाने के लिए, हैसल फ्री रखने के लिए डिफरेंट स्टेप्स में अरेंजमेंट किए गए हैं। जैसे ही ट्रेन पहुंचती है, एक डी बोर्डिंग एरिया है, रश ना पड़े किसी जगह पे, तो अगर एक ट्रेन में 22 कोचेज़ हैं तो 44 डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर्स उस कोच के बाहर बैठे हैं।
6 persons tested positive for COVID-19 in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday. Deputy Commissioner Kathua O.P. Bhagat informed that 5 positive cases were in Basoli and 1 in Hiranagar. All of them have been kept under administrative quarantine.
यहाँ 80 उसके इनमेट्स और भी हैं, उनको फिर से टेस्ट किया जाएगा, उनका सैंपल टेस्ट किया जाएगा फिर से। एक बिलावर में है, एक बसोली में पहले निकला था, 5 और निकल गए। तो ये जो एक्टिव मेंबर्स हैं इनको हमने शिफ्ट कर लिया है हॉस्पिटल में, गांधीनगर हॉस्पिटल में।
4 persons, including a pregnant lady, tested positive for COVID-19 in Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday. The pregnant lady, whose husband is also a driver by profession but returned 2 months back, was tested positive, while the other 3 who are drivers had travel history to Delhi.
तो इनका हमने 8 मई को टेस्ट लिया था। यहाँ राधा स्वामी आश्रम जो है यहाँ बीजोपुर में, तो वहाँ लिया था। तो आज इनकी रिपोर्ट आई है मॉर्निंग में, तो 4 लोग यहाँ के जो हैं सांबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट के पॉजिटिव पाए गए हैं।
After remaining closed for 48 days because of coronavirus outbreak, the OPD services in Government Medical College and its associated hospitals in Jammu resumed on Tuesday, providing a major relief to patients facing difficulties for routine medical checkups. However, only 20 patients were checked in each outpatient department between 10 am to 2 pm. Only emergency services were operational in government and private hospitals since the lockdown on March 25th. Chinese helicopters were spotted flying close to the undemarcated border between India and China in eastern Ladakh after around 250 soldiers of both sides were engaged in a fierce face-off near Pangong Lake in the area last week. The Chinese military helicopters were seen flying close to the line of actual control on at least a couple of occasions following the clashes, after which a fleet of Sukhoi fighters of the Indian Air Force too carried out sorties in the area. Jammu Municipal Corporation signed an agreement for supply of petrol products through fleet card facility to JMC vehicles with Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Indian Oil Corporation Limited through its designated dealers. The benefit of the fleet card services is that the JMC will be able to rationalize the fuel utilization to JMC vehicles and also will earn a discount of 1.75% on every refuel from the oil companies or dealers. Barring twin South Kashmir districts of Pulwama and Shopian, low-speed mobile internet services of all cellular companies were restored after remaining suspended for 6 days due to security reasons in Kashmir Valley. Cellular and mobile internet services were suspended soon after top Hizbul Mujahideen commander Riaz Naiku and 3 other terrorists were killed in 2 separate encounters in South Kashmir district of Pulwama on Wednesday. The second direct flight carrying 169 medical students who were stranded in Bangladesh amid countrywide lockdown to curtail the spread of coronavirus arrived at Srinagar International Airport on Tuesday afternoon. With this, the return of 337 students stranded in Bangladesh have been facilitated during the last 5 days.